Un video.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a little different because we're going to talk in English, and this video is going to be a full glam makeup tutorial. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, the eyebrows. We are going to outline the eyebrows with a brown eyeshadow. We're going to shape the brows. Here you're going to brush the eyebrows with this spoolie. Now we are going to use a concealer and we're going to clean the eyebrows. Now we're going to use the same concealer and we're going to apply that all over the eyelids. Okay, you can use a brush or you can use your fingers, whatever you feel comfortable with. Alright, we are going to use this palette from Juvia's Place, and we're going to take this color called Katsina, and this is going to be our transition shade. By the way, this eyeshadow is meant to blend all the other colors that we will add later. Okay, now we're going to use this color called Jamila, and we're going to apply that on the crease area. Okay, we're going to use this palette from Alamar Cosmetics, and we're going to use the shade El Cafecito. And we're going to apply that in the crease area to intensify the look. Okay, girl. Okay. She's getting in. We're going to use the same concealer and we're going to do the cut crease. Okay, now we are going to use the palette from Alamar, and we're going to use the color El Cafecito again, and we're going to apply that in the outer V area. Okay, now we're going to use the same color, Jamila, and we're going to degrade the hue. We're going to use the black eyeshadow from Lluvias and we're going to intensify the look just a little bit. And now we're going to use this color, this bronzy shade from the palette. This is called Senegal, and we're going to apply that in the inner eye. Okay, now we're going to use the Alamar Cosmetics in the shade El Malecon to...
Girl, oh.
Okay, oh my god, I'm so sorry. We use this color to highlight. Look.
Ooh, I'll blind somebody in Malecon. They better not be driving. 'Cause, ooh. Y'all better bring sunglasses, cause I'm just saying, don't say I didn't warn you.
I'm going to use this eyeliner. I don't remember the name, I'm sorry, but you can use any eyeliner that you have. Okay, we finished with the eyes. Now we are going to use the face primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish. Okay, now we're going to apply foundation. This is from Maybelline. This is the foundation Este Matte in the color 360 Golden Beige. Now we're going to contour. We're going to use this foundation. Yes, this is a foundation. We're going to use the Dior foundation. I don't know the name, the color. I don't know. I'm sorry. But we're going to use that to contour. Time to conceal. We're going to apply that in the T-zone, under the eyes, and the cupid's bow, and also the chin. You can take your blending sponge and blend that out. It's time to bake, and we're going to use this banana powder, and we're going to apply that in the highlights area. We are going to intensify a little bit the contour with this color. Going to use this powder, and we're going to take off the excess loose powder from the banana powder, right? We're going to apply that and give a little bit more color to the face. Okay, now we're going to apply the eyeliner. You can apply that on the waterline. It's time to apply the mascara, and this mascara is from Maybelline. This is called Temptation. Now it's time for the lips, and we're going to use a lip liner. This is a really dark lip liner. This is a brown color, and we're going to outline the lips. Okay, now we're going to apply the lip gloss. To finish the look, we're going to apply some setting spray. Woo! I'm sorry, Mariam. So sorry.
No. No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Okay, this is the final results. Hope you guys like it, and also subscribe and follow me on all the social medias, Yudelkamakeup.